What do you see?
Okay. What's the next?
Go.
Mm-hmm.
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me.
Good job. Can you open it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a red bird. Okay, what's next?
Red bird, what do you see?
Don't open yet. I see a...
Yellow duck looking at me.
Is a yellow duck in there? Can you open? Yeah, yellow duck. Go to the next page.
Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me.
Good job.
Whoopsie.
Oopsie. Right there.
Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me.
Really? Open the door. Yeah, it's
Mommy,
green
I'm
frog.
gonna go potty.
Right now?
Yeah.
Good. You can start now.
Do I have to close it?
No, you can go next page.
Green frog, what do you see?
Don't open it.
I see a purple cat looking at me.
Are you sure? Yeah, it's a purple cat. Go to next.
What's this?
There you go.
Purple cat, what do you see?
Don't open.
I see a white dog looking at me.
Ready? Yeah. Go to next.
White dog, what do you see?
Don't open.
I see a black sheep looking at me.
Let me see. Yes.
Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me.
Good job.
Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do I
Good job.
get toy?
Yes.